Hello friends, welcome to Math Succeed Algebra 1 tutorial. You learned about properties of multiplication in the previous lesson. In this lesson you will learn about rules for multiplication and division. These rules applies to signed numbers like negative or positive numbers. After completing this lesson you should be able to multiply or divide any signed numbers. You are going to learn about multiplication using number line, division using number line, multiplying numbers with same sign, multiplying numbers with different signs, dividing numbers with same sign, and dividing numbers with different signs. Also, instead of traditional multiplication sign, I am going to use the dot symbol for multiplication. You must be familiar with multiplication. So here we are analyzing multiplication mathematically. What exactly multiplication is? What it means to multiply something. Suppose you are adding a number repeatedly. For example, take 2. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 8. So the number of times we add 2 is different in each case, and that exactly what multiply means. 2 added 2 times is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 added 3 times is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. 2 added 4 times is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8, and so on. This is important because if you want to add too many numbers, adding numbers will take time. Now numbers can also be added using number line. A number line is real number line showing all real numbers and 0 is in the middle. All negative numbers are in the left hand side of the 0 and all positive numbers are to the right of the 0 on the number line. Suppose I want to multiply 2 and 3, then I will start at 0 and jump 2 units to the right, which is same as adding 2, and I will do it for 3 times because we are multiplying 2 with 3 and the answer is 6. If you multiply any negative number with 2, then you have to move to the left of the 0. So now let's talk about division. It is opposite of multiplication. If multiplication is about adding numbers repeatedly to get a sum, division is breaking any number into equal parts. Suppose we have 20 oranges and we can divide them into 4 groups where each group contains 5 oranges, meaning 20 divided by 5 will give 4. Similarly, 20 divided by 4 will give 5 with a remainder of 0. This is a perfect division. Sometimes you get fractions or decimals about which we will learn in future lessons. Division on number line is easy. All you have to do is to start from a point such as 20, and then if you want to divide by 5, jump 5 units towards 0 repeatedly until you reach 0. Then count the number of jumps you made, that will be your answer. So we made 4 jumps to reach 0. So 20 divided by 4, 5 is equal to 4. Now I'll give you rules for multiplication and division, and for each rule we will see some examples. When you multiply 2 or more numbers with same sign, the result is also going to be a number greater than 0. If a and b are two real numbers where both a and b is greater than 0, then a multiplied by b is ab, where ab greater than 0. Similarly, if a, b is less than 0, then negative a and negative b multiplied together is equal to ab, where ab is greater than 0. Note that I haven't talked about multiplying with 0 because that is the topic of next lesson. Now suppose 3 and 7 are two real numbers greater than 0, then 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21, which is also greater than 0. If negative 2 and negative 6 are two real numbers less than 0, then negative 2 multiplied by negative 6 is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the rules for multiplying same sign is true. So what happens when we multiply numbers with different signs? When you multiply two or more numbers with different signs, that is, one is negative and the other one is positive, the result is also going to be negative. For example, 5 multiplied by negative 8 gives you negative 40, and negative 5 multiplied by 8 is also negative 40. The division is also similar to multiplication. If we divide two or more numbers with same sign, that is both positive or both negative, the result is going to be a positive number. So if a and b are two real numbers where a, b are greater than 0 or a, b less than 0, a divided by b is equal to c, where c is greater than 0. For example, suppose a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5, where both are positive. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2, which is a positive number. So for positive dividing a positive number, we got a positive number. Suppose a is negative 15 and b is negative 3, where both are negative numbers, then a divided by b is equal to negative 15 divided by negative 5, which is equal to 5, which is a positive number. So why the negatives cancel out? It is because we can also write the expression as negative 1 multiplied by a divided by negative 1 multiplied by b equals to negative 1 divided by negative 1 cancels out, and a divided by b as usual, we can divide them as usual. Note that for b divided by a is also positive for numbers with same sign. Similar to multiplication, division of numbers with different sign will also give a negative result. So if a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0, then a divided by b is equal to c, where c is less than 0. Similarly, if a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, then a divided by b is equal to c, where c is less than 0. So we can understand this better with some examples. Suppose a is equal to negative 21 and b is equal to 7, where a is clearly less than 0 and b is greater than 0. A divided by b is equal to negative 21 divided by 7 is equal to negative 3, which is a negative number. Similarly, a equals to 24 and b is equal to negative 6, where a is positive and b is negative. A divided by b is equal to 24 divided by negative 6 equal to negative 4. So note that b divided by a is also negative for numbers with different signs. So let's summarize everything you learned in this lesson. So you understood the meaning of multiplication and division. So you learned about how to perform multiplication and division on a number line, multiplication with same sign and different sign numbers, division with same sign and different sign numbers.